Hi, my name is JaNet Wade, and I'm from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I decided to join Drone Command because I started my drone business and was online and looking for a seminar as such in the community that can help show the step by step of starting the business and getting started. I had some experience working under someone, and now I'm actually doing all that myself. So I've had a lot of little learning curves that I've gone through, but it's been great. And this drone command it was really the ticket for me to come to. So I decided to join. My takeaways so far is the marketing science, the 80% marketing science and 20% of art. This is the focus for me to and the recipe I feel for building my business, and this can help me lead in the right direction for creating positive results. I would like to say definitely if anybody who in the future want to know about drone command, I would say definitely attend. This is very, very informative and very valuable information to your success that will provide you just the great success that you would need for your business and connect you with other people in the drone society. Lesson that I learned from so far is the perceived value lesson, which will help me solve problems and show clients. And then also the other lesson was to be able to show clients how can I solve their problems and what I can do for them. Describing both of our presenters, both Diego and Drone Boss, I would say describing them, both are passionate, they are caring, and they're very down to earth and very knowledgeable. I am enjoying this training, and they're not boring, they're exciting. I love the fire that they have behind them, and I would love to sit in class with them personally. It's just very energetic and very innovative and just very informative. Thank you guys so much for this training, and I really appreciate it. Having a good time so far.